Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best PETG filament is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly 3D printing materials available today, striking an excellent balance between the ease of use of PLA and the strength and durability of ABS, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications from functional prototypes to everyday objects that require a bit more resilience. Number 5. OVERTURE High-Speed PETG Filament 1.75 mm. Experience lightning-fast 3D printing with our high-speed PETG filament, designed to keep up with your fastest machines. It ensures smooth extrusion and strong layer bonds, even when pushing your printer to its limits. Say goodbye to print failures caused by tangled filament. Our meticulously wound spools guarantee a tangle-free experience, allowing for worry-free overnight prints and seamless material changes. Achieve exceptional accuracy with our filament's industry-leading plus 0.02 mm tolerance, perfect for functional parts and mechanical assemblies. It offers excellent bed adhesion and easy removal, protecting your build plate. Ideal for print farms and batch production, our PETG offers vibrant, consistent colors with zero difference between spools. Each spool is vacuum-sealed and pre-dried for bubble-free, low-straining results. We provide recommended printing parameters and a 1-year shelf life for unopened spools. Our dedicated technical support is always ready to assist, ensuring a clog-free and hassle-free 3D printing journey. What we like. If you have a high-speed printer and want to maximize its capabilities, this filament is for you. Its formulation ensures smooth extrusion and excellent layer bonding even at rapid speeds, preventing common issues like under-extrusion. For those who use multi-material systems, the neat winding guarantees a tangle-free experience, allowing for worry-free overnight prints. Choose this if you prioritize speed and reliability in your printing projects. What people say. The filament has a good diameter consistency, which leads to reliable extrusion and fewer print failures. Prints come out with a nice glossy finish and are very durable, resisting impact and heat well. The filament adheres well to the print bed without excessive warping, making it easier to achieve successful prints. Number 4. HATCHBOX PETG 3D Printer Filament. Introducing the HATCHBOX PETG 3D Printer Filament, designed for exceptional dimensional accuracy of plus 0.03 mm. This 1 kg spool of 1.75 mm filament comes in a vibrant green, ensuring your prints are both precise and visually striking. This filament comes on a 1 kg spool with a 1.75 mm diameter, boasting a dimensional accuracy of plus 0.03 mm. For best results, use an extrusion temperature between 230 degrees Celsius and 260 degrees Celsius. Experience the best of both worlds with its PLA-like printability and ABS-like strength. It's odorless, lightweight, heat-tolerant, flexible, and highly impact-resistant, perfect for creating shatterproof designs and prototypes. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this filament is designed for ease of use. Its quality and consistency ensure a smooth printing experience, allowing you to focus on your creativity without worrying about technical issues. Enjoy strong, durable, and tangle-free prints with minimal warping. It bonds easily to the heat bed, providing clog and bubble-free results every time. Vacuum-sealed with desiccant, it maintains high detail resolution. HATCHBOX is renowned for producing high-quality 3D printing materials. Trust our extensive selection and unbeatable prices to deliver the best in 3D printing technology for all your projects. What we like. If you're new to 3D printing or looking for a reliable workhorse material, this filament is a great choice. It combines the ease of printing with PLA and the strength of ABS, making it ideal for creating shatterproof designs and prototypes. Its minimal warping and excellent bed adhesion make it easy to use, even for beginners. Consider this if you need a strong, durable, and user-friendly filament for a wide range of applications. What people say. The filament has excellent layer adhesion and minimal stringing, resulting in clean prints. It prints smoothly at the recommended temperature range, and the finished objects are strong and durable. The color is consistent throughout the spool, and the filament diameter is accurate, ensuring reliable extrusion. Number 3. CC3D Silk Rainbow PLA Filament 1.75 mm. Introducing the CC3D Silk Rainbow PLA Filament. Experience a unique, gradually changing multicolor effect with every print. Achieve a beautiful, high-detail finish right off the printer. This filament requires no post-processing for a smooth, glossy look. Enjoy a nice, shiny metallic sheen with this special rainbow gradient. The colors transition randomly, creating a unique effect each time. Printing with this material results in stunningly detailed objects. Its properties ensure a beautiful finish without the need for extra work. Watch as the colors blend seamlessly from one to another. This filament offers a truly eye-catching, multicolored gradient for your 3D prints. Elevate your 3D printing projects with this exceptional filament. Its smooth finish and vibrant, changing colors make your creations stand out. What we like. If you're aiming for visually stunning prints with minimal post-processing, this filament is a must-try. Its unique silk finish and multicolor gradient effect create eye-catching results with a beautiful sheen. The colors transition randomly, offering a unique look for each print. If you love vibrant, artistic creations and want a filament that requires no polishing to achieve a high detail, beautiful finish, this is the one for you. What people say. This PETG filament is known for its strength and durability, making it suitable for functional parts that require resistance to impact and heat. The filament exhibits good layer adhesion, which is crucial for creating strong and reliable prints without delamination. It offers a smooth printing experience with minimal stringing when settings are properly calibrated, resulting in clean and precise models. Number 2. GIANTARM Clear PETG Filament 1.75 mm. Introducing GIANTARM's Clear PETG Filament. Experience unparalleled transparency and precision for your 3D printing projects. This 1.75 mm filament boasts dimensional accuracy of plus 0.02 mm. It offers the ease of PLA with the robust strength of ABS, ensuring durable and reliable prints. Enjoy a clog-free, tangle-free, and bubble-free printing experience. Its smooth feeding ensures stable output with a high-gloss, strong, and smooth surface finish. Crafted from recyclable and eco-friendly PETG, it's completely odorless. Print with confidence, knowing you're using a safe and sustainable material. Our filament is vacuum sealed with desiccant to maintain optimal quality. This prevents moisture absorption and dust, ensuring your prints are always free from defects. Perfectly compatible with most FDM 3D printers and pens using 1.75 mm filament. We guarantee your satisfaction with immediate refunds or replacements if you're not completely happy. What we like. If you need to create functional or decorative items that require a clear, glass-like appearance, this filament is an excellent option. It offers high precision and a smooth, glossy surface finish, making it perfect for prototypes, display models, or custom containers. Its odorless nature and moisture-proof packaging ensure a pleasant and reliable printing experience. Choose this if you value clarity, accuracy, and a clean printing process. What people say. The filament is easy to print with, producing smooth and consistent layers. It has excellent layer adhesion, resulting in strong and durable prints. The filament has a low warping tendency, making it suitable for larger prints. Number 1. IEMAI Clear PETG Filament 1.75 mm. Achieve a stunning, glass-like transparency with this filament. It's perfect for creating beautiful lampshades, display models, and decorative items that let light shine through. Experience rapid 3D printing without compromising quality. This filament is engineered to support speeds up to 600 mm, ensuring stable extrusion and smooth surfaces. Enjoy the best of both worlds, the ease of printing like PLA combined with the superior toughness and durability of ABS. It offers excellent heat resistance and impact strength for lasting prints. Rely on precise diameter control for smooth feeding and consistent extrusion every time. This ensures excellent layer adhesion and minimizes common printing issues like warping and stringing. For best results, use a nozzle temperature of 220 to 260 degrees Celsius and a hotbed of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Remember to dry the filament at 60 degrees Celsius for 5 to 8 hours before printing for optimal clarity. Achieve maximum transparency by adjusting your model's wall thickness and size. Thinner walls and smaller models will enhance the light transmitting properties of your prints. What we like. If you're pushing the boundaries of 3D printing speed and need a material that can keep up while maintaining exceptional clarity, this filament is designed for you. It supports incredibly high print speeds without compromising extrusion stability or surface finish, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and large projects. Its toughness and durability also make it suitable for functional parts that require strength and long-term use. Consider this if you are looking for a high-performance, transparent filament for demanding applications. What people say. The filament has a good layer adhesion and minimal stringing, resulting in clean prints. It prints smoothly at the recommended temperature range, producing strong and durable parts. The filament diameter is consistent, which is crucial for reliable extrusion and print quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.